Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video I'm putting out in my channel, and it's a trade breakdown of USDCHF that I took on the 30th, and it ran through 30th and 31st to hit my take profit target. My sole purpose of this channel is to put out trade breakdowns and show you guys insights on how I look at the market, how I take my trades. It's a very simple concept. I'm not trying to teach a strategy. I'm trying to just show you how I look at the market, and I hope it's going to be informative. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. So yes, I use FX Replay as my backtesting software because I cannot go back in price in TradingView. So I use FX Replay to go back to my trade setups. This trade was a continuation setup, obviously, a trend continuation setup. The way I look at the market, I like to focus on the recent price, in the sense that I don't like to have so much variables in my chart. I just like the straightforward approach, which if I see a break of structure, I expect price to pull back and continue. It's just a principle. Expectational order flow. I expect price to pull back and continue when there is a break of structure. That's just how I look at the market, and I just focus on 2 time frames. I focus on H4 for my structure and my direction, and 5 minutes for my entries, and then I use Fibonacci to get my POIs most times. So when I saw this break of structure, when I came to the market, I saw this break of structure. Going by my principle, I expect price to pull back and continue. That was my expectation for this setup. So when I saw the break of structure, I marked my fib from the high to the low, and then I had my point of interest zone. I love this zone so much in my Fibonacci because it has a very high tendency to reverse price. You can see from even here, when we had this break of structure, price pull back up to the Fibonacci and reversed from there. Even here too, price pulled back up to the Fibonacci and reversed from there. So when I saw this break of structure, and then I saw that price has pulled back into my point of interest, all I had to do was go to the 5 minutes time frame and then observe price for a shift in delivery. As you can see, going up to this, before price came into this POI, it's been bullish, right? Price has been coming up. So for me to sell from this POI, I want to see the sign of reversal that you're beginning to go down. That's just basically it. I just waited for price. If I play price forward, I was just waiting. I was waiting. This was the first sign of reversal that I saw. It was the first sign of reversal that I saw, but I wouldn't say it wasn't convincing, but I wanted to see what will happen if the order flow is going to follow through before I will take a trade. I was waiting for all of this to happen. Then I saw this break of structure, which now confirms again, okay, that we are now headed downwards. That means my setup is about 90% ready. At this point, I just found my POI. I think I used my fib to find my POI. Let me play price. Okay, I had already entered before this. I used my fib to find my POI, and my stop loss was 10 pips. That was my stop loss, and my expectational order flow is for price to take out the H4 low, the H4 low, and that was, I think, 8.3R thereabout. Yeah, I think this was the low I was expecting price to take out. this loop on the H4. So as you can see, this was my entry before. Let's get on with the video. You can see price mitigated my entry and just started melting down to take profit. That was just all there was to the setup. At this point, I had to just wait. It took like a couple hours, I think a day and a couple hours to get to my take profit target. So that's it, guys. It's a very simple approach I follow, and then I have my take profit for a 8.3 reward. My goal with this channel is to put out trade videos, breakdowns like this. So kindly subscribe and turn on post notifications to be notified when new videos come out. See you on the next one. Peace.